Alright, in this video I'm going to replay and simulate the Swiss franc flash crash that occurred on January 15, 2015. Back in those days I wasn't really trading, but I was still kind of like following, watching the market every week. And after this happened, of course, I heard it all over the news. It was a big, really huge news. You know, it was like the black swan. Certainly some people were aware of this upcoming flash crash, and some of them definitely benefited on this. But these kind of events, you cannot really prepare yourself for them unless you are closely in touch with the officials in the bank, right? I mean, I don't know how else you would probably get this information. So when this flash crash happened, an entire freaking broker, I believe it was Alpari UK, an entire freaking broker got bankrupted and closed down, shut down. So let's see what happened. And now let's just slow it down a little bit so that we see what goes on. I just want to show you the order of magnitude of this flash crash. So here it's at 1.02, right? And then it's gonna drop like probably like hundreds or even 1000% in one single big ass red candle. I mean, again, you cannot really predict this kind of move. You really cannot predict it. Look at the order of magnitude, how drastic, how dramatic this change was, how dramatic this plummet was. Whoa! What the fuck? In just one single 1 minute candle. Just look at this, look at this. Boom! Holy shit, look at this. Look at how small all of these previous candles have become. My god. This is what a black swan looks like. Black swan on Forex, flash crash, Swiss franc, January 15, 2015. Holy shit. Alright, thank you.